Hello, and welcome to this new series where we start to create a space rock shooter game in Scratch. Let's get started. So let's start by deleting the cat sprite, and I'm just going to create my own sprite. So in this episode of this series, we're just going to be working on movement. So I'm going to quickly create a variable here and call it acceleration. And we're going to, when flag click, set acceleration to 0. And so we can just add in a forever loop and an if, and then we'll sense if our right arrow key is pressed, we can simply just turn right 10 degrees. We can do the same thing with our left arrow key, except we are turning left 10 degrees. And finally, we can have an if key up arrow is pressed. And here I actually just want to say change acceleration by 0.05. And the reason we're doing that is because I'm going to actually express our movement in acceleration. So we're just going to move, and let me just quickly drag this code over, 10 times our acceleration. So since our acceleration is increasing the more we hold the arrow key down, we'll go faster the longer we do that. And actually, let me just change this to an if else. So for not holding our key down, we just want to change acceleration by negative 0.009. Those are just numbers I've handpicked. They work pretty well. And now let's just actually add an if statement inside, and this will just cap our acceleration so we can't speed off to infinity. So if our acceleration is less than 0.55, or if our acceleration is greater than 0. And then finally, we're just going to have one last piece of code that'll just be just to be safe in case anything goes wrong with these numbers. And it'll be an if acceleration is less than 0. So if we ever go below 0, then we just want to set acceleration to 0. Alright, so now we can just say when flag clicked, go to 0, 0, and that should be all. Just click the green flag and we accelerate. Great. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.